Developing news, the Massachusetts Teachers Association is now calling for the Department of Elementary and Secondary Education, DESE, to step back from the distribution of COVID-19 testing kits and personal protection equipment. Thanks for joining us, everyone. For Western Mass News at 10 on Fox 6, I'm Chris Pisano.
And I'm Jordan Jagalinzer. The MTA is asking for any other state entity to take over. Western Mass News reporter Leon Purvis breaks it all down for us.
The president of the Massachusetts Teachers Association wants something done when it comes to the distribution of masks and tests to teachers. Also, they're working with state legislators to have another state agency handle testing kits and PPE.
We need an immediate investigation into these false claims by the Baker administration.
Mary Najimy with harsh words for Governor Charlie Baker and the Department of Elementary and Secondary Education. One of the biggest concerns, the efficacy of masks recently given out to educators.
Baker and Riley made repeated claims that the masks they sent out to some educators and school employees were tested, and they weren't.
Najimy breaks down what she says was discovered.
They essentially made the assertion that all the masks were tested at an MIT lab to pass efficacy rates, but many batches of those masks do not have the same efficacy rate. They only filter 48% of the particles versus 95.
We asked DESE for a response to the claims. They replied in part, public health experts from around the country, including the CDC, have made it clear that schools are safe environments, and it is absolutely crucial that children learn in classrooms. The Baker-Polito administration believes suggesting otherwise is harmful to students. Najimy is now pushing for the state legislature to allow another state department to handle testing kits and PPE. She says her group has had conversations with leadership of the State House and Senate.
Well, first and foremost, we got to make sure that the public health of our children and all those that are employed by the school departments is a priority. We are looking at all options at the table. We're listening to all positions.
The DESE commissioner holds an optional conference call with superintendents every Wednesday. I asked the MTA president what came out of the latest one. She says she is not allowed on the call. In studio, Leon Purvis, Western Mass News.